Alright, so here is Miss Trixie. She just took a little bath. Excuse my hair. I swear, guys, it got all frizzy because I just gave her a bath. But now she smells so much better. Yes, she does. Say hi, Trixie. Say hi. You did a good job for your first bath, didn't you? Good job, Trixie. I'm proud of you. Because she did do good for her first bath, I'm going to reward her with a little treat. Because she was very well behaved, more well behaved than I thought she would be. So, if I can rip this open, I'll give you one. Stay right here. You'll be staying right here for a second, okay? Don't go anywhere. Trixie! Okay. Come here. Okay. See, Trixie, because you were a good girl. Take it. Do you want a treat? Good girl. Good girl, Trixie. My baby. Alright, guys. Bye.